Hey there. Well, this is a video, this is a note to self, but maybe it could be useful to anybody else in a similar pickle. So, what I did here, I have a 2015 MacBook Air, Gen 7, I believe. So it was a little bit old, and I didn't want to fuss around with the iOS. So I deleted everything in this setup, in this device, and I just installed Linux. Specifically, I installed Ubuntu. I just one of these for productivity, that kind of stuff. And the thing is that I did all of this in the first place to install LibreOffice and then the Mendeley reference manager. So because I usually use Android for work, and reference manager support is quite bad in that regard. So that's a little bit of the context. It doesn't matter so much as the important thing is that I got Linux here, and for a while now there's been quite a few issues um, about installing Mendeley and then getting the old reference plugin for LibreOffice Writer. So I just made this. I'm making this video to just to report what I finally what kind of solution I finally figure out. So I did pretty much two things. First thing is quite simple, quite straightforward. First, you just install the latest version of Mendeley, of the Mendeley reference manager. I believe, version 2022 point something. Okay, so you go to the web page or via the command line. I use command line, and that was far easier than all the web page resources. So you should find all the instructions easily available on the internet about how to install Mendeley via command line. Okay, so after that, the next step was this. It's not hard to find an older version of Mendeley, specifically version 19, I believe. So yeah, as you can see here, I downloaded this particular version, 1.19 for Linux. Okay, it doesn't have to be that one. Just make sure that the version originally supported the LibreOffice plugin. Okay, so I executed the file. I extracted the file. I have all the internal files and that kind of stuff. And then, so once inside the main Mendeley desktop folder, you just go into share, then Mendeley desktop, and then you'll find there Open Office plugin. Okay, and this is the file you want, Mendeley 1.19.8.oxt. After doing that, once you have that file readily available somewhere in your file structure, you just go to LibreOffice Writer. I already did that here, so that's why I have the plugin options available. Well, you go to Tools, you go to Extensions, and then you go to Add. And then you go inside your Add Extensions window, and you look for the relevant file, the file I mentioned. Then you add it, and LibreOffice will restart in order to finish the relevant configuration. And that was about it. So bottom line, you don't need you don't need to have the plugin of one particular version of Mendeley for the whole process. You just install Mendeley and then grab that plugin file from an older version and you manually install it, and that's about it. I haven't tried it with a precise with a particular reference list, but as far as I can see, it's working fine. I'll give it a try in a couple of days, and if everything works well, I'll report it in the notes below in the commentaries. Okay, that's about it.